Last quick look before I get anywhere. Hotpoint fridge. There's the Hotpoint fridge. And then I'll go here. These doors. And there's butter, cheese, and white chocolate, and milk, water, and cream. And the sandwich has cake. And the syrup, there's mayonnaise and milk. And then this is salad, cod liver, sketches, and extra same. And let's see, it's set to number 5. Temp C as super and the power. Down here, you also got is this. There's ice, British lamb liver, and there's bread. There's 4 chicken steaks and the brown and the bacon. And it needs mince and milk. Has ice creams and chicken, fish, cow, and cheese, carrots, all these veg, and the cake, and the glass of jam, and the grapes and pear. Alright, there's a label on it. I think we should fill these washer and dryers before moving at midnight. So, yep. So, bye for now.